Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how I differentiate between recognition for the 6-Sune and Anti-Sune COLL cases. The first step to help you differentiate between Sune and Anti-Sune COLL cases is to look at the 3 stickers facing upwards on your cube which aren't yellow. So here we've got these 3, etc. What you need to do then is, from these 3 stickers, identify the pair of opposite colours. So for example, on this case, the pair of opposite colours is here and here. And that's the same for this case. The pair of opposite colours are diagonally across from one another. On these 2 cases over here, you'll see that the pairs of opposite colours are actually at the back here. So we've got red and orange there, and red and orange there, like that. And then for these 2 cases, the pair of opposite colours is on the right hand side, here and here, and here and here. So simply by looking at the top 3 non-yellow stickers, we can determine whether we have one of these 2 cases, one of these 2 cases, or one of these 2 cases. So I've now grouped them into pairs, and I'm going to show you how I would differentiate between, for example, these 2 cases. So for these first 2 cases in which we have the opposite stickers diagonally across from one another in this position and this position, and the same over here, there are different ways in which we can actually differentiate between these 2 cases. And just looking at them now, I'm sure you might be able to see a couple. So remember, we're completely ignoring any edge stickers or anything like that. We're just looking at the corners. And I guess an easy way in which we can differentiate between this case and this case is to look at this sticker on the right hand side here, and whether it is either opposite this sticker or the same color as this sticker up here. So that is, look at the sticker on the right hand side in the front and compare it with the sticker in the back right on top. As you'll see as you go through the COLL recognition, there are other ways in which we can do this. For example, we can compare this sticker and this sticker. So these 2, in this case they're opposite colours to one another, in this case they're the same colour as one another. We could even compare these 2 stickers, for example, this one here and this one here. In this case they're the same, and in this case they're opposite. To start out with, I recommend that you just use the 1 sticker and compare it to the one on the back right here, but as you get more competent with COLL recognition, then you can introduce other different ways of recognizing and differentiating between these 2 cases. So for these 2 cases where we have the opposite color stickers at the back positions, back here, so that is red, orange, orange, red, like this, I think the easiest way to differentiate between them is just again to look at this front right sticker, so this one here, and compare it to these 2 on the top. So for example, we can either compare this one to this one or this one to this one. So in this case, this sticker on the front right position is the same as this one back here, whereas this sticker in the front right position is actually opposite in color to this one back here. So by looking at this sticker on each case and comparing it to these 2, you can differentiate between these 2 cases. Finally, for these 2 cases where we have opposite colours on the right hand side here, we can again look at this sticker and compare it to either this sticker here or this sticker here. It's really up to you, and eventually, like I said, you will get used to being able to do both of these things. So for example, we've got opposite colours. Let's look at this front right sticker again. And in this case, these 2 stickers are the same. So we've got green and green. And in this case, this one is blue and this one is green. So to summarize, the first step in differentiating between your Sune COLL cases is to look for the opposite stickers on top. So looking at these 3 stickers, find where the opposite ones are. So here we have red and orange, like this. And then that will give you one of 3 different pairs of cases. So either you'll have the stickers diagonally opposite from one another, like such as these 2 cases, at the back here, such as these 2 cases, or on the right hand side, like these 2 cases. After that, the main way in which we can differentiate between these pairs of cases is just to look at this front right sticker here. There are alternative ways, and you'll get used to doing those as you get more experienced. But to start out with, just look at this front right sticker and compare it to these 2 on the top back here. For the anti-Sune cases, essentially all you need to know is that the recognition system for the Sune cases, we can just mirror that and apply it to the anti-Sune. So here, we're going to set up our oriented corner in the front right position, and then the first step is of course to look at the top stickers and find the opposite colours and their positions. So here we've got these two opposite colours diagonally across from one another. In these two cases, we've got them in the back, and in these two cases, we've got them over on the left-hand side of the cube here. Instead of looking at this sticker on the front right, we're going to look at the one on the front left, so this sticker, and use that to compare and differentiate between the pairs of cases.